The Ford Fusion was part of the service bulletin 212033 issued by Ford in 2021 for the cars manufactured between 2013 and 2016. And if you see the transmission not in park warning in your Ford Fusion, this is most likely the problem with the shifter cable connection to the transmission. There is a bushing that is made of bad material and it can't withstand the heat level that the transmission produces. This bushing falls apart after some time and the shifter cable falls off the transmission, which means you will move the shifter to various positions but it will have no effect on the transmission. So first things first, you want to open the hood and look at the upper part of the transmission that is visible without any disassembling. Locate this connection and ask someone to move the shifter to various positions. You may take this shifter cable off just by unclipping it from its place and put it back on if there is the plastic bushing. If the cable is completely disconnected, you will need to buy the new bushing that fortunately costs peanuts. So it makes sense to buy that bushing and install it on your own, which will take like 10 minutes of your time. If everything is okay with the connection, the problem is most likely with the shifter. There have been cases when the shifter position switch was faulty and the entire shifter assembly required replacement. This is not a DIY job for most owners, so if it's not the shifter cable connection, you would better take your car in for an inspection.